So by design sets out these seven, is it seven? Yes, objectives of urban design. So these are abstract things that we're trying to achieve when we design places. And I'm going to go through them one by one. So the first of these is character. And by character we mean, does a place have its own identity? Do we know it's that place and not some other place? Represented by this bloke, he's Pearly King. You know he's from London, you know he's not from Manchester just by looking at him. And similarly, there are streetscapes that you know when you look at a photograph of them, you think that must be London, that can't be Manchester. So that's very particular. And yet, David showed that image of a housing estate built about 10 or 20 years ago, that aerial view of that housing estate. And one of the characteristics of places like that is you've got absolutely no idea where in the country that might be. It really could have been anywhere. Here's a housing development in near Tower Bridge that was built about 20 years ago, designed, I think, by the architect Piers Goff. It's quite quirky, it's quite memorable. You know, some people would like it, others might not like it, but that's not really the point. One of the points about it is there's nothing else quite like it, and when you get there you think, okay, yes, I remember that, and you go away and it's memorable. Now there's a kind of balance here because you don't want everywhere to be memorable because life will become chaotic. But there's a sort of clear benefit to having some elements within a cityscape that provide memorable moments. And this is you're looking at 1/4 of a quadrant here. You can see on the left and the right there are other things, and you're actually standing in the middle of a circle. It's got a statue at the middle of it, and so on. It's quite a memorable place.